So most of you are facing issue on this particular lab. The issue is not related to the lab solution. The lab is working fine. The solution is working fine. The issue you are facing in this part, that is the task number 1, that is RDP to Windows VM. Now in some cases in different operating system also, this RDP client is not working. In this case, how to fix it? I'm just sharing you with the guide. If you are from Windows, okay, in my case, I'm also using Windows and it's currently working very fine. There is no issue in my completion of this lab, but some of you are facing issue like you are getting some error. In that case, for Windows, I've shared the link. You have to simply download this RDP file, and there you have to simply use this username and password over here. Okay, this username and password you have to use, and then you'll be able to complete the lab, right? And if you are a Mac user, you need to just say this. You have to download the remote desktop app from Apple App Store, and then you have to just follow the same thing. Means you have to enter the same user and password over there and complete all these tasks. Okay, and it will be updated. Regarding the solution for this lab, I have attached the video link in the description. Make sure to check it out. And if you face any other issues, you can reach out to the support team, that is support@qwiklabs.com. Otherwise, also you can comment down below. So this was the quick update. All the solutions for all the labs are live. Do check it out and do like the video and subscribe the channel for more.